Waking up in 2026 is no longer about loud alarms and boring clocks. It is about smart experiences that actually improve your sleep and your mornings. In this video from TechFact, you will discover the top 5 best smart clock radios that combine modern design, smart features, and real comfort. From sunrise simulation to relaxing sleep sounds and powerful audio, these devices are designed to upgrade your entire routine. Whether you want something simple and reliable or a fully advanced smart system, this list covers the best options available right now. Make sure you watch till the end because the number 1 pick might surprise you. And if you enjoy smart tech content like this, don't forget to like, comment your favorite, and subscribe to TechFact for more powerful tech updates. Number 5. Lofty Smart Alarm Clock. The Lofty Smart Alarm Clock offers a unique blend of modern smart features and a distraction-free sleep experience. It is designed to help you disconnect from your phone while still enjoying advanced functionality. One of its standout features is the 2-phase alarm system, which wakes you gently with a soft sound followed by a secondary louder alarm if needed. This creates a more natural and less stressful wake-up process. It also includes a built-in speaker that delivers calming sounds, guided meditations, and white noise to improve sleep quality. The design is stylish and minimal, fitting perfectly into modern bedrooms. Unlike many smart devices, it works well without constant phone interaction, promoting healthier nighttime habits. It also supports Wi-Fi updates, allowing new features and content over time. The interface is simple and easy to navigate, even for first-time users. Overall, it is a great choice for people who want smart features without the overwhelming distractions of typical smart devices. Number 4. Sharp SBC 1178 AMZ. The Sharp SBC 1178 AMZ is a budget-friendly clock radio that focuses on essential features with reliable performance. It offers a simple digital display with clear numbers, making it easy to check the time at a glance. The alarm system is straightforward and effective, allowing you to wake up either with a buzzer or your favorite FM radio station. One of its key strengths is ease of use, with intuitive buttons that make setup quick and stress-free. It also includes battery backup, which ensures your alarm settings are even during power outages. The compact design makes it ideal for small spaces, and its lightweight build allows you to place it anywhere comfortably. While it does not include advanced smart features or modern connectivity, it delivers solid performance for basic needs. The sound quality of the radio is decent for casual listening, and the overall build feels practical for everyday use. This clock is best suited for users who want an affordable, no-fuss solution that simply gets the job done. Number 3. Emerson SmartSet CKS 1900. The Emerson SmartSet CKS 1900 is a classic digital clock radio that combines simplicity with smart convenience. One of its biggest advantages is the automatic time setting system, which adjusts itself after power outages and keeps accurate time without any effort. This makes it extremely reliable for everyday use. It features a clear LED display that is easy to read even in low light conditions, along with adjustable brightness to suit your preference. The clock includes a built-in FM radio with good reception, allowing you to wake up to your favorite stations instead of a standard alarm sound. It also offers dual alarms, which is useful for households with different schedules. The design is compact and practical, fitting easily on any bedside table without taking up too much space. While it does not have advanced smart features like apps or voice control, it delivers where it matters most with consistent performance and ease of use. Overall, it is a dependable choice for users who want a straightforward and hassle-free clock radio experience. Number 2. Philips Wake Up Lite HF 3520. The Philips Wake Up Lite HF 3520 is one of the most trusted sunrise alarm clocks, built with a strong focus on natural waking. Its main feature is the simulated sunrise that gradually fills your room with warm light, helping your body wake up in a more natural and comfortable way. Instead of a harsh alarm, it uses soft sounds like birds or gentle tones that slowly increase in volume. This creates a much calmer start to your day. The light itself is very bright and can also be used as a bedside lamp, adding extra value. Its design is simple but effective, with easy controls that make it user-friendly for all ages. Unlike more advanced smart clocks, it does not rely heavily on apps or complex features, which can actually be a benefit for people who prefer a straightforward experience. The build quality is solid and reliable, making it a long-lasting choice. Overall, it is perfect for anyone who wants a proven and natural way to wake up without unnecessary complexity. Number 1. Hatch Restore 3. If you want a smart clock radio that completely transforms your sleep routine, the Hatch Restore 3 stands out as a premium choice. This device is not just an alarm, it is a full sleep system designed to help you unwind at night and wake up naturally in the morning. It uses a gentle sunrise light that gradually brightens your room, making waking up feel smooth instead of stressful. At night, it offers a wide range of calming sounds, guided routines, and soft lighting to help your body relax. The design is clean and minimal, making it perfect for any modern bedroom setup. One of its strongest features is customization, allowing you to create personalized sleep and wake routines through its companion app. You can also control everything directly from the device without relying on your phone, which helps reduce distractions before bed. The sound quality is rich and immersive, making it great as a sound machine as well. Overall, it is a powerful all-in-one solution for better sleep, though it feels like a premium lifestyle product rather than just a simple clock radio. So these were the top 5 best smart clock radios you can buy in 2026, each offering something unique for better sleep and smarter mornings. Whether you prefer a simple setup or a fully customizable experience, there is a perfect option for you in this list. Let me know in the comments which one you would choose or if you are already using one of these. If you found this video helpful, hit like and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Fact for more smart tech content coming your way.